Namaste children, I hope you all are fine. So next we will discuss that the microorganisms, they are also responsible for producing the various organic acids, chemicals, alcohols and even enzymes also. So in the previous topic we discussed that microorganisms, they are responsible for producing the various beverages like Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, so this yeast, it is responsible for producing various kinds of the beverages which are also known as drink or alcohol, depending upon the raw material, that which kind of raw material that we are using. So next we will discuss that some microorganisms, they are responsible for producing the acids also, which are used in the industries. So first, that is the Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger, it is a kind of fungi and it is responsible for producing the citric acid. Next is Acetobacter aceti, and it is a kind of bacteria and it is responsible for producing the acetic acid. Next, third is Clostridium botulicum, and it is a kind of bacteria. It belongs to the group of bacteria and it is responsible for producing the butyric acid. Next is Lactobacillus, and it is also a kind of bacteria which is responsible for producing the lactic acid. So now next we will discuss that microorganisms, they are also responsible for the production of enzymes. Now look here, these are the various microorganisms, means these are the source for producing these enzymes. Okay, and next column, it include the uses of these enzymes. Okay, so now first is lipases. Lipase enzyme, it is produced by the various kind of bacteria and fungi. And what is the use of lipases? That it used in detergents. It is used in detergents for removing the oily stains. Next is a fungi, Aspergillus niger, and it is responsible for producing the pectinases. And what is the role of pectinases? That pectinases, it degrade the pectins that are present in the cell wall. Cell wall, it contain the pectin. So pectinases, it degrades the pectin. Okay, you must have compared the juices that you prepared at home and the bottle juices. The bottle juices that are very clear, means it does not contain any pulp, but the homemade juice, it contain the pulp. Okay, means the fibers that are present in the homemade juice. So that fibers, means that pulp, that is cleared by the pectinases in the industries. So it make the bottled juices clearer. Next is proteases. Proteases, they are responsible for degrading the proteins. They are responsible for degrading the proteins, or you can say polypeptides. And these are produced by almost all kind of life forms. Almost all kind of life forms, they contain the proteases enzymes. And proteases, they are also responsible for clearing the bottled juices. Now next, that are streptokinase enzyme. This streptokinase enzyme, it is produced by the Streptococcus bacteria. And streptokinase enzyme, it acts as a clot buster. Now what is clot buster? Clot buster means that it removed the clots that are formed in the blood vessels, and later on it can lead to myocardial infection or heart attack. And in the modified form, this streptokinase enzyme, it is used for this purpose, and it is produced by the Streptococcus bacteria. Now we will discuss some bioactive molecules that are produced by the microorganisms. Students, now here in this table you can see that some bioactive molecules that are given and the source of bioactive molecules that are given this side. Okay, means these are produced from these microorganisms. Now first is cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A, it is produced from the Trichoderma polysporum, which is a kind of fungi, and cyclosporin A, it acts as an immunosuppressive agent. Now what is immunosuppressive agent? Immunosuppressive agent means it suppresses the immune cells so that it will not show its action during the organ transplantation. Means when the organ that is from outside it is transplanted, then the immunosuppressive agents that are given so that it suppress the immunity. It suppress our immune cells so that they will not detect those organs as the foreign part. Next is the statin. Statin, it decreases the blood cholesterol. And how it decreases the blood cholesterol? Because it stops the synthesis of that enzyme which is responsible for the synthesis of the cholesterol in our body. So in this manner, it lowers the blood cholesterol, and it produced from Monoscus purpureus, which is a kind of yeast, which is an example of yeast. So these are some bioactive molecules, enzymes, acids, alcohols, which are produced by the microorganisms.